Why did I do this to myself? It's a little bit of what I thought of in my head, but I think do I have a friend that crafts? No, I don't think. This is not easy. How do people? We don't know what this is gonna be. We don't know. This might be a present. You might be. This whole video might turn into a Halloween, pre-Christmas present, for your crafting friends. I don't know. This whole video might have just taken a whole complete different turn. Hold on. I think we got something. Hold on. Oh hell. No, not really. Where's Patrick now? I need Patrick now. Where the hell is Patrick? No. Wait, does she? I'm brainstorming here. I'm struggling.
We're gonna try this one more time. One more time, okay? That's it. That's all I got in me, okay? Because, you know, I told you the devil comes in many ways. The devil can come in crafting. Look, I'm gonna try this one more time. One more again, okay? And then y'all gonna see me pack this shit up, and I'm passing this on as a gift. Do what the Bible says. Do what that one says. Do what that verse says to do. Don't follow me. Don't do this one. Don't. Oh, it's just not my creative thing. It's just, I still don't feel like that's right. Okay, we're gonna still move on, because I think maybe I might have to put it together, see it messed up, and then figure out what I did wrong.
Because I feel like I have to fail to win. I don't know if you know what I mean? But I feel like, because I'm not a crafty person, I feel like I have to fail to win, okay? You know, to each his own, the devil can come in many forms. I don't know if you know that. The devil can come in the form of a craft, okay? So, you got to watch things like that, I need y'all to understand something, because, sometimes y'all be asking for too much. You got to realize that when things is cheap, you can't ask for too much, okay? So, Dollar Tree's flowers, they're not going to look like Hobby Lobby, okay? Now, if you want to go to Hobby Lobby and Joann's and Michael's and all them places and pay the extra money for your flowers to look like they flowering, and yes, that's a word, okay? If you want your flowers to look like they flowering, then you go on over there. That's for too much. They might be a little crinkly. They look like they might need to be ironed, okay? Some of the petals, struggling. Alright? But, it's $1.25, right? So, I had saw that they had these fiber optic roses. And I'm like, isn't this what the man on the side of the road be selling us? Or the people, when you used to go to the club, they used to have them fiber optic roses where they be trying to sell, you can get like one for $5. I think, if you're looking for a side hustle, okay, you could go to Dollar Tree and get these fiber optic, oh shit, it don't work. Oh no, it worked. It don't really work. It's very light. Well, maybe, the people on the side of the road, theirs was a lot brighter than Dollar Tree. Well, maybe not. Okay, well, you can't sell it for $5, but you might be able to flip this for $3.50. You might be able to get a Dollar Tree rose, one of the little fiber optic ones. They got the light on the inside. Y'all see that? Can y'all see? Don't focus on me. Focus. Okay. So you might be able to flip this for like $3.25, $3.50, $3.25, something like that. Something, as a side hustle. You could be the person outside the strip club with the fiber optic roses, because you don't want to go to a high establishment. You know what I mean? You don't want to be outside like 5-star restaurants and stuff, because they're gonna look at your rose and they're gonna know that yours is not as bright as the other people's. But if you go outside the strip club, $3.25, $3.50. Okay, outside the strip club, they're not gonna care. They're not gonna care that your light is not as bright, because they just won't. I promise you they won't. But if you want to, just a little side hustle, a little side money, just a little, see, I done gave you a little seed. You come to the Uncraft Craft Point, you come on over here, you might find you a little side hustle.
You're welcome. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back to the craft. Let's put the rose in it, and this is not how I imagined my craft when I was in Dollar Tree. Y'all got to you got to know when the devil is trying to mess with you. This was nothing but an anxiety moment for me. So we're going to take it all out again. Yeah, I know. Y'all probably like, what the hell? Okay, well, you know, it is what it is. I don't know. Hold on. Wait a second.
Okay, maybe even, okay, hold on, wait a second. Hold on. Okay. Alright, so what if we wrap the mesh around the bottom of the flowers? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. Okay, alright. I think you need to take breaks as well. I feel like I'm getting a headache. Oh, tough it out. You got this.
Okay. I'm done. So, this is what I thought of though. I think if I cut the stems, I won't have to worry about, okay, I said I was only going to do it one more again. Okay, we're going to do it two more agains. Because I think, just, and then we're going to give up.
So I'm cutting. Now, hold on. Wait a second. Okay, alright. Now, wait a second. Ah. Ooh, it's got a metal. Oh, it's metal on the inside. Oh, see. I almost stuck myself. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so be careful when you cut the stems. It's, ooh, look at that. Y'all see that? You see this big old metal? You see that? Be careful, y'all.
All right, we got one more. It's all covered up, right? We're going to stick it back down into the bottom. We're going to wrap the mesh around the bottom of the flowers. So.
You ever seen them DIY channels? They go to Dollar Tree and they go in there and then they buy some stuff, some spray paint, and then all of a sudden they done made themselves a couch. How? Kelly? How are we getting these items and just some spray paint and some, what is that glue that they always promoting? See, some F50, some E6000, I don't know, that glue. They always got that glue and the stuff from Dollar Tree. And then we done made a chair. How, Kelly? How? Do it again, Kelly. Did you cut out some pots, Kelly?
I'm not crafty like that. I failed. Who's counting? Are you counting? Did you count how many times I failed? That's not the point. We winning now. We winning. See? Now look, this is actually what I wanted. Okay. So the beginning, that's in the past. You know how people like to say that's in the past. We're going to leave it in the past. We in the present now. So the present, we got another one. Damn it. I got glitter everywhere. Okay. So we got another one. This one. Okay. I'm going to fast forward this part. You're going to see me do it. I'm going to listen to some music just so I can get my equilibrium together. So, yeah. Okay. All right, beautiful disasters. I'm back. I'm done. I really can't do no more. I really can't. My anxiety has come down because I was listening to music and, you know, I did my crafts. These are the final results. I actually was able to put the lights in here and I put the controller and I hid it in the flowers. So smart of me, right? Yeah, so the controller, the on and off switch, is actually hidden at the top of the flowers. So I was actually able to put that in there. And as you can see, I switched the colors up a little bit. And then I have this one. And then I have this one. So yeah, I actually did what I had in mind. Now, granted, one thing that I wish I had did was gotten a little more of that, is it tulle? What did I say it was? The mesh. I wish I had gotten another roll of that because it would look a lot more fuller down here if I had more of that purple mesh down here at the bottom. But you know, other than that, I did pretty good. But don't expect this again. Again, if I get the urge while I'm in Dollar Tree to craft, I'm a prey. Thank you for joining me at the Uncraft Craft Corner, where crafting is not our thing. Anyway, but yeah, don't expect this. This isn't. Yeah. All right. I'm done. Okay. Yeah, I'm done. I don't even want to talk anymore. I'm done. Where's my outro? Okay, beautiful disasters, welcome back. I had to give you like a final showing, right? I mean, it's only right after the struggle and anxiety that I had earlier. So yeah, I mean, this is what it looks like at night.
Deactivating. I do not understand. Do you wish to delete? All systems down.